Why you bleed after sex? Why you bleed after sex are causes you must check immediately. Don't ignore this, and make sure you watch this video until the end. If you ever notice bleeding after intercourse, don't panic, but don't ignore it as well. Your body might be signaling a problem. It is more common than you think, and it has a medical explanation that is worth knowing. One common cause is cervical irritation. When this happens, cervical irritation, and the cervical is the lower part of the uterus. Just know that uterus is always think of a gate in a homestead. That's what cervical is. It is the entrance, the gate, or the entrance to your uterus or to the woman womb, and it is very sensitive during deep or rough intercourse. It can get slightly bruised or scratched, and this can cause light bleeding afterward or bleeding after the coitus. If this keeps happening, it may mean your cervix is inflamed or swelled. Your cervix is inflamed, and it is best to see a gynecologist for this. Another reason is infection. We have talked about these infections, the STIs, in our previous video. Sexually transmitted infections like chlamydia or gonorrhea, and even bacterial or yeast infection, can irritate the vagina or your cervix. In this irritation afterwards make the tissues more fragile, causing bleeding during or even after the intercourse. You might also notice itching burning sensation, or unusual discharge. If that happens, please get tested and treated early. Hormonal imbalance is also a key factor. When your estrogen levels drop, especially after childbirth or during menopause, or when you are already there, for women, on your menopause phase, the vaginal tissues become thin and dry, and this dryness can cause small tears, leading to light bleeding after the intercourse. Using safe lubricants or medical creams is always safe and advisable. I would recommend you use the lubricants. There is both water-based and oil-based lubricants. So you choose which one is the best for you, or which one best suits you. Under doctor's advice can help restore that comfort. Always when you go to seek for those or buy those lubricants, ask whoever is there to give the best, depending on which product and brands they have. Sometimes lack of lubrication is the main issue. Of bleeding after the coitus. If your body isn't fully aroused, or if sex is too rough or rushed. If you rushed into it, the vaginal lining can tear slightly. Reason because it was not well lubricated. Even small cut can cause spotting. Always use enough lubrication and make sure both partners are comfortable. Pain during sex is never normal. It is normal. Don't treat it as normal. It is a sign your body needs care. Another possible cause is fibroids or cervical polyps. These are non-cancerous growth that can develop in or around your uterus or uterine wall. They sometimes bleed when touched during sex or even when they are disturbed. You might not feel the pain, but you could notice spotting or heavy periods. An ultrasound or pelvic exam can detect them easily. If at all they are the causative or underlying cause for your bleeding. But in rare cases, bleeding after sex could be a warning of more serious conditions. We have said that basically, if not infection, it is more inclined to lubrication. Like precancerous changes in the cervix is always being checked. It's a condition that need to be checked despite it be a rare case. That's why regular pap smear and checkups are so important for women and their health. So my lovely viewers, listen carefully. Post-sex bleeding doesn't always mean danger, but it should never be ignored or looked down upon. Your reproductive system is delicate and small symptoms can reveal a bigger or a big clues. If you experience frequent bleeding accompanied by pain or even discharge, please visit your doctor as soon as possible, because early testing and treatment can protect you from serious problem later or more infection. Your health is your confidence, your comfort, and your peace of mind. Always listen to your body, because it speaks before the problems uh, grows. Before the problem go to the next level, your body always communicates, and those bleeding are a sign of something behind it. Take care of yourself, love responsibly, and never ignore the signs your body gives. Healthy intimacy starts with awareness. So thank you for watching this video up to this point. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this, health tips and health educational videos. So let us meet on our next video. Stay tuned and stay healthy.